Hey everyone, it's Steve with TNT. Just wanted to show you on this Porsche Cayman the difference between our custom coverage and a previously done pre-cut kit. So we redid the fender and a bunch of other pieces on this. The fender, the door, the rear quarter panels. It was an accident and they brought it to us to redo some panels, but they didn't want to remove some other ones. But the hood right here is a pre-cut kit, and there we go. So you can kind of see the edges, not all the way sealed, not all the way to the edge. On our fender right here, we went all the way over and wrapped it and tucked it and hooked the corners. Same thing on there and there. So all that's covered compared to the pre-cut kit that is not. And then on this fender over here, this was the old PPF 2. So you can see, because that film wasn't wrapped and tucked, a rock actually hit it right there on the edge and caused a chip. So that's the difference between our custom coverage stuff and some pre-cut kits. Show you some more. Pre-cut kit, pre-cut kit, and then we did this whole rear quarter panel. We got it down and covered all the way, and then we tuck it behind the quarter window. All of that's wrapped in there, and we'll tuck it in that body gap there. And then back here, we got our corners all hooked and tucked in there. So just wanted to show you that difference again between pre-cut kits and our custom coverage patterns. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.